Welcome to the Interstate Lithium Marine Battery Installation tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the necessary tools and steps for a safe lithium battery installation. Before starting, gather these tools: hand tools, wrenches, pliers, sockets, and a wire cutter or crimper. Cables or bus bars to connect multiple batteries, terminal blocks or an alternative. A wire brush for cleaning the battery tray or area. A rag or vacuum to remove debris from the battery tray or area. Flexible wire loom for covering cables if desired. Zip ties and mounts to secure wires and keep them away from moving parts. Dielectric grease to minimize environmental corrosion on the terminals. And make sure to put on your PPE to stay safe before you begin. First things first, let's locate the batteries we will be replacing. For this boat, we will be replacing those lead-acid batteries with one 24-volt lithium battery for the trolling motor. We'll also be replacing the starting battery with Interstate Lithium dual purpose. Before removing your old battery, we recommend taking a few pictures or drawing a simple diagram to document how everything was connected. For specific guidelines and specifications, please consult your Interstate battery user manual. You can scan the QR code on the battery to locate the user manual. Also, make sure to put on your PPE to stay safe before you begin. Now, disconnect all the cables from our old battery setup. We'll set them aside. If they're still in good shape, we can reuse them with the new battery. Next up, let's take off the battery hold downs. These could be brackets or straps like we have here today. We'll keep them nearby to use with the new setup. Let's get these old batteries out of here. Be sure to properly recycle your old batteries. Visit interstatebatteries.com/recycling to find the nearest location. Before we install the new batteries, we need to clean up the area. Let's clear out any debris and give it a quick brush, especially if there's any rust or residue, because they could cause issues down the line. If needed, spraying rust prevention on any bare metal will help protect it from the environment in the future. Remember, these lithium batteries could live in here for the next decade or more. By now, you've probably identified the lithium battery or batteries you need to install. If you haven't yet decided, click the link below to check out our entire lithium portfolio. Now, we're ready to install those sweet new lithium batteries. Let's make sure everything is lined up correctly. The battery and hold down straps should be exactly where they need to be before we secure them. Now we can tighten the straps. One advantage of lithium batteries is that they can be pre-configured to higher voltages such as 24, 36, or 48 volts. This eliminates the need to purchase multiple 12-volt batteries and connect them in series to achieve those voltages. If you have more than one battery, you'll need to connect them in series or parallel using high-quality cables or bus bars. Our boat has a 24-volt trolling motor, so we have the option to connect two of Interstate's 12-volt lithium batteries, or we could go with just one battery and use Interstate's single 24-volt option. If you have selected Interstate's 24-volt option, you can connect those batteries in parallel to increase the available capacity. If you had a 36-volt trolling motor, you would need to connect three 12-volt batteries in series or select an Interstate 36-volt lithium option. Now, let's get the charger leads connected. Be sure to tighten the bolts to the specifications in your user manual. We want to make sure everything is set up and working correctly. With the trolling motor up and running, let's connect the dual-purpose battery. Attach the positive cable to the positive terminal and the negative cable to the negative terminal. Make sure to tighten the bolts according to the specifications in your user manual. Now that everything is hooked up and ready to go, it's time to hit the water and do some fishing. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.